Okay, so the Republicans keep working on this bill and it keeps changing and it keeps getting worse. So the latest, based on what they've done, is that about 17 million people will lose their access to health care. And just so everybody understands about this, who we're talking about your cousin's baby that was born and ran up $1 million in medical debts before the little one even made it home the first time. We're talking about your neighbor who got hit by a bus and ended up in a wheelchair and needs a home health aide to be able to live in his home. And we're talking about your friend's grandma who outlived her savings and now counts on Medicaid to pay for her nursing home. So those are the folks we're talking about. And those are the folks who, under this Republican bill, are going to lose their health care. And then just one more twist. Right now, on the version that we've seen, it's about $1.1 trillion pulled out of the healthcare system. So you know who else gets hurt? Is everybody.
Yeah.
When all those 17 million people lose their healthcare coverage, here's the bad news. They still get sick. They still end up in the emergency room. They still get into accidents. They still need help. So they show up at the hospital, and God bless them, the hospitals do their best. But if they're not covered by Medicaid, that's 17 million people for whom it's just what's called uncompensated care, which means the hospital has to eat it. But the hospital not getting that money in, that means the best estimate is we're going to lose about 300 hospitals across this country. It's going to be a lot of rural hospitals. It's going to be hospitals scattered throughout America. So that means even if you don't have Medicaid, even if you don't care about anybody who has Medicaid, next time someone you love starts to have a heart attack, next time someone you love falls at the playground and needs a whole bunch of stitches, and the hospital nearby, your community hospital that you would have gone to, once it has closed, it's closed for everybody. It's not just closed for the people on Medicaid, it's closed for everyone. So the Republicans are saying, we're going to take a healthcare system that already just barely makes it day to day. We're going to take it, we're going to rip $1.1 trillion out, we're going to take away care from all those folks, and all so they can give ginormous tax breaks to a handful of billionaires and billionaire corporations. Yeah. That's the deal.